Yo, what's up YouTubers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy LB. So now today in this video I just want to show you how to import 3D model plan and animate it inside After Effects, just like this. Stick around. So here today guys, I'm going to show you how to animate this plane guys. So now guys, as you see here, I'm in software. This is my video clip which I'm going to use. So now I'm going to import the plane 3D models. So now double click here and then let's come back here on open up this plane. Okay, so guys, if you don't have this plane 3D model, just you can go here on internet, just you search the plane on this Sketchfab website, and then you have to choose any plan you want. It is 3D models guys. As I told you in the previous video, I told you After Effects it receive 3 formats, which is the first one is FBX, the second one is this GLTF, and the third one is GLB. So you have to make sure to download one of them. Okay, so now let's back here on Adobe After Effects. So now you have to drag this plane on this timeline here. Okay, yeah, this is my plane, and then let me click here on make composite size. Yeah, this is cool, and then let me click OK. So now guys, as you see here, this is my plane, so I can rotate where I want. Okay, this is 3D. So now I'm going to animate my plane by using rotation. Click R on your keyboard for rotation, click P for position, and then click S for scale. Okay, so now let's back on R for rotation. I have to rotate my plane just like this guys. So click S on scale. Let me reduce the scale. So now my animation will be started by here. So I have to rotate this plane where my animation will be started by here. Okay, just like this guys. Okay, so I have to add a keyframe for P position. So now when I move these blue lines, for example here, and I have to move where my plane it will go, just like this. Okay, so when I play just like this, you see how this plane is moving on, but it is not moving cool. So let's go here on rotation for rotating well, just like this guys. Okay, it is going on online. Cool. Okay, so when I play, this is how it is. Okay, so I have to pull until it will be disappeared in the frame. Just like this. Okay, and then on here where this plane is beginning, it have to start out of this frame. So when I play, this is how it will be moving on. So guys, as you see here, do you see my plane? It comes on the front of this fence. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to mask this fence. Okay, So first I have to duplicate this layer, so by Ctrl plus D. Okay, so let me put this layer on the top of these 3D models. Okay, so when I play, you can't see this plane. Okay, so I have to mask this fence by using this pen tool, or you can click G on your keyboard. So now let me mask this fence just like this. So this is enough. So when I play, my plane tool comes behind of this fence, sorry. Okay, so now let me play and let me see how it is. Okay guys, this is cool. So and then I can add this motion blur of these 3D models. Okay, and then guys, if you want, you can animate your plane when the plane is moving, for rotating, for example, when the plane is can be started by here, and I have to add the keyframe here for this X rotation. When it is moving on, you can animate some small animation just like this. So let me play just like this, guys. You see how the plane is moving on, guys. So guys, this is how you can animate these 3D models in After Effects. Just you have to use this rotation, position and scale. Okay, that is it, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me know what you think, and see you in next video. Stay creative. Peace.